How to see who checks your Snapchat location. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on your profile at the top left corner of your screen. Then click on gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. And here you'll find different options. Scroll down and click on My Data. After you've clicked on My Data, simply scroll down in here and you'll find ranking and location. Turn it on and press on Next at the bottom. Then simply select All Time and press on Submit at the bottom right corner of your screen. After it's submitted, Snapchat will get back to you within 24 hours and send you a file in your mail. You can simply click on the file and check who sees your location. This is how to see who checks your Snapchat location. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.